up so they drop into the back of your police cruiser there. You want me to set it up that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Here they come. You like the way Grandma set it up?
Yeah. But I want to
Okay. Step up and out of the way for a second so I can get in there. We want it to end up in your police cruiser, right?
Yep. So my police vehicle. I got it.
Oh, these are way overflowing. But I think... All right.
Yay.
Stop. Stop it. That's funny. Oh.
Okay, here we go.